Hello friend, and welcome back to the business channel for creatives where you learn how to work smarter, not harder. My name is Matthew van der Putte. People know me online as Matt Joes, and in the previous video you were taught the easiest way to start making money passively online. The easiest way, not the best way. In this video I want to talk about the very best way to earn money online passively. And this is based on, hopefully it's not a surprise to you, digital products. As you've learned by now, digital products are amazing because no or very little overhead costs, no warehouse or personnel issues, shipping costs, shipping issues. There is instantaneous delivery, instant payment, etc. It is an absolute dream. If you look at these pie charts, you will see that digital products for me, or e-commerce sales for me, are the biggest revenue stream, my biggest income stream out of the 5 main ones that I teach in my book Passive Income for Creatives. At time of filming, my main 3 digital products that I sell are the Ultimate Time-Lapse Guide, Passive Income for Creatives, and a time-lapse preset and LUT collection. In the last 6 months, I've made around $10,000 with just those 3 products, and that has been an absolute lifesaver because I've had barely, or actually I've had no commercial time-lapse work in that period at all. Now, what might a digital product look like for you, and how do you figure out how to make one? How do you come up with these ideas? Besides that, you also need to figure out how and where to sell it, but we'll talk about that in future videos, so make sure you are subscribed with notifications turned on so you don't miss it. PDFs, ebooks, webinars, worksheets, original music, podcast episodes, you name it, there is a digital product out there for you. Long story short, anything that exists in a digital form that provides value to a group of people can be turned into a very nice digital product. Can you think of a digital product for yourself right now? Is there something you wish you knew when you started out in your niche or your hobby? Was there a question that you didn't have the answer to? Was there a technique or something that you didn't figure out until way later down the line? You can look back at your former self and provide value to that person and then extrapolate that and create something for many more people. So you can use your own experience, or you can go online and look at what other people are looking for. You can actually even see the search volume to see whether or not that would be a good product to create. Something I do for my own content research and planning is to use Google's autocomplete function. How to time-lapse, blah blah blah. This gets auto-completed by Google's search box or search engine, and boom, there you have it. A subject that a lot of people are searching for. Create enough content answering these types of questions, and before you know it, you can bundle them together into a PDF, slap a nice cover on there, and you have yourself an ebook, a worksheet, a technical guide, whatever you want to call it. You have created something of value. And again, we're here at the value thing. Create something of value and people will pay money for it. That's a value exchange. Money and experience or knowledge or entertainment or whatever it is that you want to call it, that value exchange can only exist if you create something of value for a group of people. So here's what I want you to do right now so you can start working smarter, not harder. I want you to come up with a digital product for your former self. Create something, be it education or can be entertainment as well, but create something of value that would have helped your previous self. Extrapolate that and you will be able to create something for a larger group of people, and then you can start charging money for it. How and where and what exactly, we will cover that in a future video. If you want to fast track your learning, your knowledge, you know where to find this as per usual. It's at the bottom of this video or in the comments. Everything I talk about on this channel is pretty much covered in Passive Income for Creatives, so give that a look if you want it. Any future video suggestions, please let me know. Drop us a comment, like, share, subscribe, you know the drill, and I hopefully will see you on the next video. Goodbye.